In this video, we'll guide you through how to remove shorts from YouTube permanently. Removing shorts from your YouTube recommendations can help tailor your content suggestions to your specific interests. Do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So here's how we can do it. There are actually two ways for us to do this, and I'm going to show you both ways. Once you open your YouTube app, you're going to want to scroll down, and immediately you should be able to see the Shorts section. Now what you are going to do is you're just going to press those three dots, and you should be able to see Not Interested. We're going to click that option. Now you're going to want to do this for the entire videos here. What will happen is that YouTube will realize that you are not really interested in shorts. Once you've done that, you shouldn't be able to see shorts from your recommendations. Now here's another thing that we are going to do. We're just going to go to our profile icon right here till we see Settings. From here, we're going to click Manage All History. You will be redirected to Google account. From here, you want to click on Saving Your YouTube History. Click on Turn Off. And there you go. We're just going to close our YouTube and we're going to open it once again. Let's try to scroll down here, and we shouldn't be able to find anything related to shorts. Write down in the comments below if you have any questions about the tutorial. Hit the like button if you like this video, and see you in the next one.